In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to justify text in GoDaddy. If you want your website text to look cleaner and more evenly aligned across the page, this is a quick and useful adjustment to make. Justified text lines up neatly on both the left and right sides, which can give certain sections of your site a more polished and structured appearance. I'll walk you through exactly where to find this setting inside your GoDaddy website editor. To begin, open your GoDaddy account and sign in as you normally would. Once you're in, go to your account area and click on your profile. This is where you can access the main options connected to your account and website tools. After that, click on My Products. In this section, you'll see the services and websites connected to your GoDaddy account. Take a moment to find the website you want to edit. Then select that website from the list. This will take you closer to the editing area where you can make design changes. Next, click Edit Website. This opens the Website Builder editor, where you can update text, images, layout, and other visual settings on your site. Once the editor loads, go to the section of the page where your text is located. You'll want to click directly on the text box or text area you want to change, so the editing options become available. Now, look over to the right-hand side of the screen. This is where GoDaddy usually displays the formatting and customization settings for the selected content. Find the alignment option, and from there, choose the Justify setting for your text. As soon as you apply it, your paragraph should adjust so that both edges appear aligned more evenly. This can work especially well for longer blocks of text, such as descriptions, introductions, or informational sections. Just keep in mind that justified text may look different depending on the amount of text and the width of the text box, so it's always a good idea to preview how it looks before finishing. Once you're happy with the result, make sure to save your changes so the update is not lost. And if your website builder gives you a preview option, use it to check the final appearance on desktop and mobile. That's all you need to do to justify text in GoDaddy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.